Bitcoin is going to die. I don't mess with it.
You think Bitcoin is going to
die?
Hey guys, do you believe in what the man just said, that Bitcoin is going to die or is going to zero? Yes, this is a shocking news. It's just an interview, of course. I want us to dive deep and see what really went on with this interview, the reasons why he said this, and what exactly is behind this major booming secret that he wants to unveil to us. Alright, if you are new to our channel, smash on the subscribe button, like, and then follow us, that all the time when you drop news, you'll be the first person to get the pop-up button. All right, so let's really rush into things and then do it. But before that, I want us to listen to this renowned man called Anthony Pomplano. All right, so he said something on CBNC News concerning war, and then this question was,
all right, so let's put it all together. We've got a war in Iran, we've got a spike, at least for now, 8-day spike in energy prices. We've got AI disruption concerns. We've got cracks in private credit, and we have a weaker jobs report. How do you invest right now?
Buy Bitcoin.
All right.
In that, per the interview, I said Iran war. There is Iran war. There is crisis. We said we got war in Iran. We've got spike in energy prices, and we've got AI disruptive concern. We've got cracks in private things that are ongoing. All right, private with reports and jet and other things. What they asking? So how do we invest? He said buy Bitcoin. He's saying, so meaning the Bitcoin is the most important thing to buy or to invest as at this moment, per the interviewer or per what he's saying here. Do you get it? Yeah, I want us to listen to what he said again and again. We will go back and then go and listen to the last sentence. Go back and go and listen to the exact thing he said here, the last things he said concerning the man that we just renewed, that he was talking about Bitcoin is going straight to zero. So stick with us, don't go anywhere.
Well, if you think about what's gone on over the last year or so, pretty much everyone who's going to sell Bitcoin off of the highs has pretty much already sold, right? Everyone who's going to, well, if you think about what's gone on over the last year or so, pretty much everyone who's going to sell Bitcoin off of the highs has pretty much already sold, right? Everyone who's going to buy gold has pretty much bought. And so I think that you saw two assets that diverged, and these two assets, they serve as a store of value. And I know that the gold bugs have been doing their victory lap for the last year. I like gold. I don't hate gold in any way, but I do think that Bitcoin is a 10x better asset in terms of it is more divisible, it is more mobile, it is much more resilient than gold. And so I think that over time, what you're going to see is you're going to see more and more capital flow into Bitcoin. And look at the ETFs. What took gold's ETF 15 years to do, Bitcoin has done in less than 2. And so I think that just naturally you're seeing the rapid adoption of an asset. Now it is going to be volatile, and I think people love to celebrate when Bitcoin falls. It's down 50%. Well, if that was the bottom of the bear market, is just a 50% drawdown, then it's the best performing bear market of all time in Bitcoin's history. And so let's see what happens. Well, if you think about what's gone on over the last...
So, what he's saying a lot, explaining the reasons why he made that comment, and then a whole lot of things. I want us to rush into things and then watch the last person that I said was talking about it here, that was posted by Altcoin Daily, that indeed actual actor Terrance Howard, all right, that was his name. It made mention about it that Bitcoin is going down flat to, or is going down to zero, or going flat to zero, or is dying. Let's take listen to what exactly was he talking about here.
Bitcoin is going to die. I don't mess with it.
You touch nothing with crypto.
I don't touch it.
Tell me why you think it's going to.
Well, I just got a call from somebody a couple of days ago and said, "Hey, if you got 25 million, you can make 75,000. I just want to put it inside of an account to do some stuff." And this is a friend of mine, and I was like, "Do you realize that Bitcoin is still based on fiat? It's still and because the dollar is decreasing in its value, because the uncertainty of war around." Nobody wants their money in something that can be wiped out with a push of a button somewhere. I've stayed free and clear of it because it's been dropping a great deal. Bitcoin is going to die.
So the main reasons for him talking about all these things is because of the war and other reactions. As I said earlier on, if you could listen to it, that was really going on. That is making him talk about it, that Bitcoin is not really having a stance or a good foundation for any other investor to invest in it, of which I don't believe in it though. Yes, because the war has been going on several and over, but Bitcoin is still Bitcoin, and still investing. Altcoins and other things are taking their ships, although they have the bearish market, but still there are still things that confirms that there can be a spike and bullish moment will start very soon. So this was the interview and how it went on. I'm Crypto Lord. I'm here always to bring you latest update concerning the market news and then all the things relating to it. You try as much as possible that each and every day or every week we bring you latest updates. All right, so stick to us, don't go anywhere. Let's run to the end. Thank you. See you in the upcoming videos. Bye for now.